Yeah, welcome back to the 5x8 modified benroy teardrop camper. I had planned on, I was going to router these doors out, and the router that I used was just a little bit thicker than what I wanted, and then the jig slipped and knocked the nick out of there and it kind of ticked me off. I thought I could do this, I could do that. No, I'm just going to go with just a better door. So it looks really good, and I still get some of the knots from the birch here. And this would have been cool because it matches up with that right there. So we'll just leave it for the new guy and see what he wants to do with it. And then this door right here would have been kind of unique. Let's see if you can. Let's see if I can get some light on this. Right now I'm tripping on wire. This would have been a better door. Let's see if y'all can see that pattern there. I thought that would have been a funny pattern for a door. Or you can turn it up this way and it could be a sticking up or down. Either way. So we had to make a little change and go with a different door. Just have to make sure that the doors are shut before you close the galley lid. Yeah, I'm going to scoot you down a little bit. And I got a spot here for, this is going to be for the Yeti, this is going to be just a door, and this will be a pull-out slide for a little gas stove, and this will be a pull-out drawer. And then we walk around. It's going to be kind of dark on the inside because I don't have, wait, I do have light. I have some light. Absent-minded is make. And you can see I got that going on in there. Tripod. I try to use a tripod as much as possible so it's not shaky. Yeah, you'll see I will have shelf up there. Then we'll have shelf. This part here will be big sliding doors, and then up there will be just, I'll put a lip up there across this one for whatnot, things like that. And of course we got our other shelves here, and then each one of those has the little courtesy light in it, and of course the AC fits in that square hole, rectangle hole. And you can see all the wiring. I'm going to put a flange. I'm going to drill a hole here in the front of the trailer on the skin and fiberglass on a flange, so this wire, when it goes to the box up front, it won't be whipping in the wind because I don't want any movement on that. And of course here we'll look at the roof. It's kind of like a wreck right now because I've been stacking stuff up here in the flattest spot I can find to keep my lumber from warping. I don't want my wood to get all banana shaped. So there we are at the 5x8 modified benroy. Y'all keep watching. We'll knock this thing out pretty quick. Thank you.